Okay guys, it is day 2 of our vacation and today we're going to Seattle.
We're going to Leavenworth, not Seattle.
1, 2, 3.
So we're going to the cafe right now. I think this is yours. Yeah, look, it's a cafe. It tells you.
Andrea, your vanilla bean latte is ready. Enjoy and have a good day.
These are the wrong shoes to be adventurous in. This is so pretty. There's already a change of scenery because it's like snowy here. This has to be really dangerous doing this in heels, but YOLO. We got a whole map of everything. So you're getting the German Schnitzel. We're gonna share hot chocolate, and then I'm getting the bratwurst.
You can try my schnitzel if you want.
Well, you can try my bratwurst if you want. They have like a whole hot chocolate station. Oop. I don't have any more whipped cream. Okay, so the whipped cream's out, but it's fine. Soup, some caramel, chocolate as well if it'll come out, and then we're done. This is my bratwurst. Where's your schnitzel? Here it is.
You want to try it?
Is it good?
Yeah.
I'm about to try mine. I'll update you. Update on that bratwurst. It was so good. I literally destroyed it. We got the spiced wine. How do you like it? Is it not your cup of tea?
It's hot. I'm not used to hot wine.
Oh, yeah. Me neither. I've never tried hot wine, but we'll see.
Hot.
There's like a big sleigh above you. Oh, and then just the Santa frosted one. Okay, so we got the caramel hot apple cider. I think that's what it is. So we're in the Nutcracker Museum right now. Yeah, these are so cute. Way too many people. Look, it's a pretzel tree. So many characters. Oh my god, it's Rudolph. We got in the van and we're gonna break into the desserts. Okay, let's try this. This is the peppermint one.
It's good.
It is really good. Okay guys, we changed into some comfy clothes and then we're just gonna eat dinner at our hotel's restaurant because, you know, we got back kind of late. There was some traffic. There was congestion because of an accident or something. Anyways, we're gonna go eat right now. Okay guys, we're eating right now. So the food came. I got a hot chicken sandwich and she got a burger again. Let me just say that was the worst food I've ever had, honestly.